Hey Kendalls, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, what's up? My name's Kendall, and today I filmed a highly requested drugstore beginner friendly makeup tutorial. And for this look, it didn't require lashes or anything. I had received a couple messages asking me to do a nice kind of beginner friendly makeup tutorial, so that's what I did. It was super quick. I think I did this in like maybe less than 12 minutes, super fast. And so if you'd like to see how I got this look, definitely keep on watching and make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's get started. To get started, I'm going to be taking my E.L.F. Instant Lift Brow Pencil, and this is in dark brown. I am obsessed with this pencil. It is super affordable. Everything by E.L.F. is affordable, honestly. It's a great drugstore brand, and I really like how creamy that this product is. And so I'm just gonna keep brushing it through my little brows. And now I'm just going to clean up my little brows with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the shade Cool Tan. And also, let me make a disclaimer at the beginning of the video. Y'all wondering what's going on with my little hand. These mosquitoes have been cutting up with me out here in the South. I'm talking about they are eating me alive. It is insane. So now for my foundation, I'm going to take my current fave, and it's the Colourpop Pretty Fresh foundation. It's the hydrating foundation, and I wear the shade 180 Neutral. And this foundation is just super creamy. It's really nice, glides well, and you can find it at your local Ulta. And yeah, so I'm just gonna blend that in with a nice blending brush. It's super easy to blend in. I also, for my primer, I forgot to, I guess, record that, but I just took the E.L.F. Luminous Putty primer. And so yeah, that's my primer that I wore also. And for my concealer, I'm going to take my tried and true Milani Conceal Imperfect in the shade 170 Warm Almond. And I'm just going to put this on all the places that I would normally highlight. So I'm making sure to put it on the bridge of my nose, my chin. I also put a little bit on my forehead. And then I'm just taking an E.L.F. blending sponge, and I'm just going to blend all that product in. I make sure I always put it all over my lids. And I'll just blend it in. You want to make sure it's all nice and seamless so you ain't out here looking crazy. And the thing I like about this formula is it's just super hydrating. I don't feel like it's too dry. And it also blends in really good to the foundation too. So that's always a plus. And to set all of that concealer, I'm going to take this Airspun Loose Face Powder. This is in translucent. And I really like that it has this big old fluffy little thing, this little, I don't know what it is, a little poof, I don't know. But I like it. It's super nice. And this setting powder is like probably so, it's probably one of like the most like lightweight and like most affordable ones. And I really like it because it genuinely is translucent. So I'm just going to dust all that off now. Now to set the rest of my face, for all the parts I didn't put that loose powder on, I'm going to take my L'Oreal True Match. This is my Classic 10 in N7. I've been using that powder probably since, I think, honestly, high school. I've been rocking with that powder. And there you see me taking, it's the trio, and it's Makeup Revolution and Patricia Bright. And I'm just going to take that brown shade in the middle, and I'm just going to use that as my contour shade. And it's just a really nice, natural contour palette, and it's super affordable. So if you're really just starting off trying to bronze, I definitely would recommend that palette. Also, a good tip that's beginner friendly is if you're not really sure where to put it, I would just hold in, and you can like suck in your cheeks, and that'll kind of give you a little bit more definition so you'll know where to put the bronzer. Now from that palette, I'm going to take the blush shade. I'm just going to put that on the apples of my cheeks. The thing I really like about this palette is it's super small. It also comes with a mirror, so I think it's also real nice if you are on the go, if you're trying to travel. It's just really nice. It's very pigmented also, and it comes in different shades too. And I'm just going to dust a little bit of that on my nose. Then from that same palette, because who doesn't love a palette that can do all the things we needed to. I'm going to use that for my highlighter, and it's just very nice. It gives a very nice healthy glow to the skin. I'm just nothing too crazy, just it's very subtle glow and looks very natural. So now I'm going to take a little bit of that product. I'm going to put it on the tip of my nose and along the bridge. And to do this, I like to use my pinky to do that. And then I like to take a small pointed brush and I'll go in for my inner corner and also put that along the bridge of my brow bone. And that also just kind of just helps to highlight my brows, and it helps illuminate my face a little bit more. And yeah, I love highlighter. It's my favorite part of makeup. And this is just a great palette because, like I said, it has everything that you need. It has your bronzer, your blush, and your highlight, and you can use the highlight for everywhere on your face. So it's just the perfect, and it's affordable, and I love it. Okay, and this was the only non-drugstore item I used. This is just my Lancôme CILS Booster Primer, and I mean, there ain't nothing like it. So honestly, like, I haven't found a good drugstore dupe. But I'm just gonna go ahead, put this on, get my lashes ready for mascara because I am not going to be wearing lashes for this look, which is definitely a first. This was definitely weird for me, but of course I'm going to be taking my baby, and this is the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara. This is my favorite mascara. I've been rocking with it since high school. And it just always gets me right, and I just am going up and down with the wand here, and I like to like kind of curve them because I don't curl my lashes, so I just go back and forth honestly between the both of them. And I'm gonna zoom in for you guys on my second coat so you guys can kind of get a better look at my lashes and what I'm doing, how I'm applying my mascara. I usually always do about 2 coats. I like to make them kind of thick, a little bit spidery like. That's just how I like them, just because I'm used to wearing lashes. But yeah, that's just me. And so now I'm going to be taking my NYX Suede lip liner, and this is in Downtown Beauty. This is one of my favorite lip liners. That's Drugstore. It's just very nice, and it's a pretty natural shade. And I usually always will start on the bottom lip, and then I'll kind of just outline my cupid's bow and stuff like that. It's just a really nice lip liner to have. Now everybody has their favorite lip gloss. That's Drugstore, and this is mine. It's the NYX Ginger Snap Butter Gloss, and I absolutely am in love with it. A good dupe also that I had found was, you know, the new Maybelline Lifter Glosses. Those are beautiful also, but yeah, this is my baby right here. And that is the final look today, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know if you guys would like to see more tutorials without lashes or with lashes again. Just let me know, and I will see y'all in my next video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I will see y'all later. Bye, Ken dolls.